So this is going to be fairly quick. We already had a video on how you can download one single file from the Git repository on Windows, but many comments said that, hey, we're looking on how we can download or clone the full Git repository on a Windows again. So if that's what you're looking for, then let's continue on the screen. And to download or to clone the Git repository, the only thing that you need to do is download a Git on your Windows, and for that I would go in the Google and just type git download Windows, follow the first page, which is git-scm.com. We're looking for the Windows, probably in our case, then 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on what you have. Download the executable, click yes, next, finish with all the best things as it is with the Windows. Wait for it to actually be installed, and boom, it is ready. So to start downloading the repository, you can launch the git bash right after the installation, and this basically is your main tool. We can check where we are now. Right now we are in C users my folder. Then just find your repository that you are willing to clone, click on the green code button. There is an option to download a zip file, which will be the same archive of the Git repository, but it will be a single installation. As you see, there are many issues, many pull requests in the repository, so when someone will fix some codes, fix some issues, or improve the code, if you downloaded just a zip file, of course you will not have those changes, so you need to download it again and again and again. But if you use a git clone, then you can always have up-to-date information. So just copy the link to the .git file, go back to your git CLI, and we need to type git clone and then copy paste URL. Make sure that there are no extra characters that we don't need. Click enter. You can see cloning into focus. This will again take a couple of seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed and the size of Git repository that you are downloading. And right now we can check that we have this focus directory somewhere here. There it is, cd focus, and there we go. We have all the files from the Git repository that we just cloned. And whenever, let's say you come back after a week or a month and you want to make sure that your repository on your Windows machine is up to date with what you have in a Git, you just type git pull and it will check what's the version in the GitHub and what's the version in your local disk, and it will update all the changes if there are any. So that's about it, how you can clone your Git repository to the Windows machine and keep it up to date. Hope this helped you. So thank you and goodbye.